today we have Yammy. And Yammy would love to find a home for Thanksgiving. And Thanksgiving's tomorrow, which means we're here at Fox 13 right now getting ready to have Yammy make his debut. He is a 2-month-old border collie. His adoption fee is only $350, and that comes with being neutered, vaccination shot, and microchip. So if you're thinking about adding a new addition to your family, especially for the holidays, you really need to consider heading down to the Utah Humane Society. Yammy has a lot of brothers and sisters over there that are all puppies that need to be adopted as well. So hopefully one of you seeing this video wants a new dog just in time for Thanksgiving, and you can head down to the Utah Humane Society today and adopt this adorable boy. Check him out. All right, thanks for watching.